How to use the ABB Server Room Sub-Distribution Configurator. To access the tool, follow one of the options displayed. Option 1. Download the app from the App Store, available for iPad only. Or Option 2. Use the browser version, where we recommend using Google Chrome. Navigation through the configurator's interface is simple. To change the language of the tool, click the globe icon in the top right corner. The question mark can be used to provide feedback, so we can continue improving the configurator with your input. The information button will take you to the technical glossary, which you can access at any time while configuring. The top left corner on the opposite side has 4 tabs: Dashboard, Configurator, and the external tabs, Data Centers, and Contact Us. Begin a configuration in the Configurator tab. Select whether to enter the configuration of a busway system or a remote power panel. The following steps remain the same for both configurations. Once you enter, you will be guided through a total of 5 steps. You will need to determine the project's total IT load. Select the server rack's power supply. Choose the power protection method. Select the preferred monitoring options, and then finish the solution. Click on Save and Close Configuration, or Save and Create New Configuration. When saving a configuration, an existing project must be selected or a new one must be created. On the Dashboard tab, saved configurations are displayed and can be duplicated, edited, or deleted at any time. To view the bill of material or submit a request for quotation, select any configurations and click on the relevant button below. To contact the Data Center team for additional assistance, use the Contact Us tab. Thank you for watching the how-to video of the ABB Server Room Sub-Distribution Configurator.